Well, I'm at the grocery store. I'm putting together my shopping list for my meal prepping. And that's something that I do on a week-to-week basis to help cut down time and to make sure that I eat healthy. And this week for meal prepping, I'm putting together a Mexican style casserole. And I usually make that so that it serves 4 to 6. Even though I'm one person, I get to freeze up a couple more things and servings. And I'm also putting together a chicken stew. So I get all my fresh vegetables and I'm able to cook that up. So today is just prepping. I'm meal prepping for tomorrow for when I cook my meals, and then I have Easy Street during the week. And that's just a really good time-saving element that I have found, even though I'm single, to help me eat healthy and to make sure I have nutritious meals. And one of the things that I don't know if you know this, but if you are going to buy organic produce, one of the biggest ones that you want to buy is celery. And organic celery is something you definitely want to spend the money on. This is one of the most pesticided vegetables that's out there, and it's a good idea to buy organic when you're purchasing your celery. So that's just a tip today, and just wanted to share that I'm doing meal prepping. I'm at the grocery store picking up all my items and just making sure that I eat healthy throughout the week. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.